Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You're logged in and ready. Go straight to the course or dashboard where the recipient appears. Once there, locate the message icon in the header or click the person's name to open their profile. Make sure notifications are enabled in your account settings so messages arrive. After opening the profile card, choose the message option. This launches the Compose box. From here, you'll start writing. Don't waste time navigating elsewhere. Begin composing immediately in the message field. Choose the recipient by typing their name or selecting from the suggested list. Confirm you picked the right student, teacher, or group. Next, add a clear subject line and write your message body explaining the purpose and expected action. If necessary, attach files or paste links using the Attach button. Keep file names descriptive. Use bold or bullets for clarity and mention the course code if relevant. Once composed, proofread quickly to avoid ambiguity and prepare to send or save a draft. When your message is ready, click Send and watch for the brief confirmation or a change in the Send button state. Then immediately open Conversations or Sent Messages to verify the message appears in the thread and that the recipient matches. If you expect a reply, enable notifications and check the conversation later. If using mobile, ensure the Moodle app syncs. Troubleshooting tip: if the recipient doesn't receive it, confirm their messaging permissions and your.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.